Assuredly, I represent the BSB radio station in London with Baba Shukobe. You don't know, so the Chulani city, so boy, I represent. How we say, we don't care if them say shortly, boo.
Out there, share it, like, subscribe, and do what you have to do. Remember the book. Remember the book. BSB, Baba Shukobe. My life as a boy in Jamaica. Go out there and get your copy. Do your thing. Yes, remember the book. Remember the book. It's on Amazon. The one that has my picture on it. Deal with that one. Forget about the yellow and black one. Simple as that. Straight as ABC, sister.
Yeah, me have some testimony for you.
Yeah, man.
Well.
Yeah, man. Talk, man. Because people need to know it. Talk it.
Yeah, I come from a place named Walton Park.
Kingston. Yeah, Kingston.
Kingston,
Yeah.
Purity, you know?
Yeah.
We short we live, we call it Big Yard. We short we live down at the bottom of the lane.
Yeah.
It meet up in the next lane. So our yard go right round to the corner like.
Yeah.
Anyway, the lady them where we have bad experience with, my mother grew from them young.
Yeah.
Them living at the yard from them young used to pay the landlord rent.
Yeah.
Rent.
Yeah.
You understand? Used to walk together.
Mm.
You understand? So them, you have to call it basically so them grew up together.
Yeah.
Because this was the main yard where my mother when she run away from country.
Yeah.
And meet my dad and the border. Them run
Yeah.
together and this so them they circle.
Yeah.
So my born and come see my mother.
Yeah.
And she as friend.
Yeah.
She was with neighbor.
Yeah.
I've been through hell and back with them. I lost my first born because
Can
of
imagine.
that same lady.
Yeah. Then me know what they do. Me know
Yeah,
what
because basically,
Yeah.
Fim dad was a rich millionaire went
Yeah.
to America
Mm-hmm.
and a music producer.
Yeah.
So it happened as God make somebody over here
Yeah.
in them own house.
A plan.
A plan so them have a country go rat out my vagina.
Yeah.
Because basically what the lady used to say, oh me so lucky as a young girl
Yeah.
to get all of the rich man then.
Yeah.
And fear daughter can't get none.
Mm-hmm.
And what in a my funny so
Yeah.
the man there.
Yeah. Yeah.
And she have a rotten you know.
Godful, no, you know. Godful.
Grudgeful and bad mind.
Yeah.
Anyway, me still never know all of them something with them. Me still
Yeah.
was friend with them and everything.
Yeah.
Still never take it for nothing. Babs now. Me and our daughter, same daughter was friend used to walk.
Yeah.
And this is how the story went.
Yeah.
Before me meet my baby father,
Mm.
but I see a man with them nearly witchcraft, my fan kill me.
Yeah.
Me used to date this little young businessman yeah, from
Yeah.
Waltham, come from Portmore, Waltham.
Yeah.
So ending up through me and she a walk, one of the friend it ending up like her and them ending up dead too.
Yeah.
So you know what evening time we used to walk up at my man business place.
Yes.
So anyway, it happened us when we meet the Ras, because the Ras Makar,
Yeah.
you know, keep him identity.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Don't call it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. When we meet the Ras,
Yeah.
him they live in America with him baby mother. They've never married as yet.
Yeah.
But him they like me, but me they there with the young businessman
Yeah.
Walton.
Yeah.
And this same lady in our yard, daughter, where Pierre daughter was my best friend.
Yeah.
There with one of my man
Mhm.
best friend.
Right.
But that man was a married man who lived up the Walton.
Yes.
Alright. Him come some ups now and him see me and my mother yard and him like me because him and my cousin they fly down.
Mm-hmm.
And Aledi and him there they attract me up. I never like him because them time them was like twice my age and
Yeah.
you understand and a Rasta man. And
Yes.
you know young
Yeah.
girl and you
Yeah.
face me and whatever. So
Sid.
him wasn't my cup of tea.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest and I like me a brother or whatever.
Yeah.
Exactly so the story goes.
Yeah.
And I did in love with my little businessman.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All of them did not give me a little stress and grief.
Yes.
But the story and the reality of it, when he meet me and my man did not go through hardship because
Mm-hmm.
me just find out same have an affair with one of my best friend too.
Right.
At the time we live up the Chisholm Avenue, which me have to keep our identity locked.
Yeah.
Auntie. And when me say auntie, I don't really like say blood auntie, but
Yeah.
it's not pass for my auntie.
Yes.
Cause that yard up the Chisholm was my second yard when I go and
Mhm.
sleep over more time and
Yeah.
everything. So me
Yeah.
and him they kinda have a little, you know?
Yeah.
We just still there, but we just still argue about the situation, kind cheat.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
embarrass me.
Yeah.
So, Babs now the Rasta look me and thing and I chat me up. And then my cousin now, we a music producer, we a musician, I mean, sorry, him left on my page too. Him say him like the woman we live in my yard, daughter.
Yeah.
You understand? Alright,
Yeah.
me I go give them some name, yeah?
You can, yeah, yeah.
Michelle then.
Yeah.
Alright, me and Michelle in the story, which is wrong identity.
Yeah, yeah, me know.
The daughter, me I go give her a name, yeah?
Yeah.
Munchie.
Munchie, yeah.
Same like Munchie.
Yeah.
So, me said to Munchie, say, not because my cousin down there with him.
Yeah,
So, a music producer, you know.
Yeah.
Well, like, me, now, my musician cousin, you know, where my producer, you know, because the two of them are foreigner.
Yeah.
And them I look the two of it. So, me must say, I'm my little friend.
Yeah.
I still never know, say, her mother wicked and evil.
Yes.
So, anyway, cut a long story short, me wrap up the story and cut it quick and try go through it quick.
Yeah.
And everything me can talk.
For real,
Babs
for real.
now, she run go there with my cousin. Babs now, me bench him. Me still never there with him because me still have my little man.
Yeah.
Which is a little businessman.
Yes.
Me still a date him and me still in love with him, although me did upset with him.
For real.
Anyway, now the man start giving him things. And you know, shit happen where she and him go there and she never used condom and she didn't peck him. That's my cousin.
You mean she shot him?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Shot him, she gave him infection.
Me know.
And all me did ended up find out is like after we did go a song club, everybody else had drink liquor and my cousin had drink like Lucasine and water. So you know,
Yes.
the music producer one will like me, the producer him start laughing and whisper and tell me. So if you tell your friend for go clinic, blah blah blah, then even give me some US, I'm not gonna disclose so much, I'm for go private after.
Yeah.
Alright, cut a long story short now. Me and the man still never did that because me tell him I did have my man. He fly back up now and when him fly back up now, you know, man a looky and thing. So him start send some crazy money come give me now. Me tell you say crazy money.
Yeah.
I'm not joking, no people are welcome know that story.
Yeah.
And it bring a big jealousy. You understand?
Why not? You know, see that come. You never see that come.
While if she did just listen to me, I never did go bed with my cousin.
Yeah.
She now get her crazy money too. Now so it goes.
For real.
You know, yeah. Him fly up and you know him still ring my mother house phone with her.
Mm.
You know me and the little businessman.
Yeah.
He still a go through a little arguments same way. When you look now,
Mm.
the one in America now that time music producer start go crazy over me now and he must say when me want do and him send me back to university. That's
Yeah.
up at UWI.
Yeah, you will.
I start on my evening class now and I do course. The same producer they have pay for it.
Yes.
And you know, I start taking things. I'm going to be honest with the whole world. Yeah, I start
Yeah.
taking things. And you know, I start sit down and I start premeditate and I say, shit. I don't like the money, you know, but I take him money, you know.
Yeah.
And the money come kill me, you know. X,
For real.
Y, Z, you know. I go tell my man say it over.
Yeah, you get to that
You
one.
know, I want me to tell my man say it over right now go work because I'm this move with my friend up the Chisholm auntie.
Mm-hmm.
He must say, mom, blah, 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 I love him to give him a chance. Him know that the little thingy one, you know. I'll be a witchcraft in my story, you know.
Me know, man,
I can descend up, he can push me down, you know.
Me know, me hear you.
This over free. Anyway, but that's now, I'm ending up still do everything for that one day, Walter.
Yeah.
The business one.
Yeah.
Still cook him around same way.
Yes.
Call him up at one business place where they side of him business place to send down the work of them for him food.
Yes.
Do everything for him. Watch him work in uniform.
Yes.
Do everything, but me just never go bed with him.
Yeah.
Because may I tell him the truth.
Yeah.
So may I take the Rasta American money.
Yeah.
So I say we party.
Yeah, because, yeah.
Disrespect me with my best friend too.
Yeah, kind of insultive. Yeah.
That was a little significant way, you know.
Yeah, one whole
All
little
of
cool,
we
yeah.
used to walk. All one night time I'll see him being him on there.
The big artist.
Did I walk with me too?
Yeah,
before
yeah.
him bus.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm there with one of my next friend up the Chisholm too.
Yes.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, cut a long story short now, him still not give up. Him even engage me, him do everything. When the rest the American here say, my man engage me,
Yeah.
the rest come do a whopping and fly down quick now.
Yes.
And forcefully by then it was like 9 months set of money where pay university and every month without a fail. We can go Remington's Express and get me 25,000 US, not 2,500, you know.
You mean US dollar?
25,000 in US dollar.
What year we are talking about now?
The
What
music-
year this?
I'm talking about
Long time ago.
89,
Lord God.
90, is something.
Yeah. I hope money that friend. Yeah, man, go on talk.
Very whole heap of money. When money account, it take all an hour.
Yes.
You know, collect money at the front.
Yes.
This is up New Kingston near Knoxford Boulevard.
Yeah.
Side. Who
Me know
remember
them.
Remington's Express?
Me know them places. Me know where you start about. Yes, man.
Western Union never did even.
Yes.
send them
Remington
to
Express.
yeah?
Yes, that them the thing around it.
Remington's Express used to run things.
Remember the days, Remington.
Oh,
Western Union knock them off. Yeah.
Alright. I'm just now, Bob's now the dread fly back down now the following year. Cause him here said my man I go mental.
Yeah.
Him tiring and him propose. And him know I'm get married so the dread comes so back, fly down and back.
Yeah.
First but we gonna get pregnant.
Right.
Box foot covered this so my problem start.
Is it?
Can you look now? Get pregnant for the rest now and you know what? Cut off Mr. Man completely. Cause when I go there with the rest, I cut off the next one, then I not talk to him,
Yeah.
I not entertain him. Me not mix no more, cause I say that is it, me
Yes.
walk away.
Yes.
Babs no more walk away, you know, and you know me and the rest where they are going and thing, and then, you know, the rest get me pregnant and then the rest fly back up.
Yeah, Ross make it damage and run off. Yeah, cause
Yes.
he pay money, you know, so you have to get his service.
Yes, anyway, you know.
Yeah.
At me dust, and the rest run off back now. Me and the one them mash up with a mix, with a deal.
Yeah.
That was it. When my was about 3.5 pregnant, I got to 4 months. Babs, me not hear from the rest.
Ross breed and gone.
The rest breed me and gone. You me tell you something,
Yeah.
hear from the rest straight up until me nearly 4 months pregnant.
Yeah.
I think when the belly next to 4 months, me not hear one shot from the rest.
Not in that prison.
4 months, me not hear from the rest. 5 months pregnancy, me not hear from the rest.
Maybe the Ross that prison, man. Talk.
No, the must never gonna prison me. Investigate, me do everything, me do all of that. The rest never gonna prison.
So the Ross just wicked like that.
Now in my yard when you're Munchie.
Yeah, dirty munchie, yes.
Which is Dirty Munchie, which is wrong identity.
Yeah, me know, man. That's why I say that. Me
The
know.
one who shot my cousin.
Yeah. That's why I say
Remember
dirty. Yeah.
She did a date.
The other one,
The
because
businessman,
yeah.
best friend, we live up the wall time. We are
Yeah.
married man.
Yeah.
So Babs now she catch a belly for him too.
Yeah.
After me catch a belly for the rest of America,
Yeah.
she still breed for my businessman, the little one when me completely shut off with best friend.
Yeah.
So she catch a belly for the married man too.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. We still naive to everything, you know. I know where I going, no believe in a word, you know.
Yeah.
Know nothing about that.
Yeah.
Open a church.
Yes, yes.
Why young people's meeting.
Yes.
Choir girl.
Yes.
Every night when my dad I go bed, him gather with, I'm at the bedside, him pray him the scriptures and
Yes,
pray.
yes.
Like how them prayer they still like.
Yeah, man, them think
I
never
still
want it.
meet with my kids then.
Yes.
Anyway, you know, this is how them do me now. She know, must be still I keep in touch with my cousin
Yeah.
in between. So then she now starts spread a rumor too, and her brother,
Mm-hmm.
we bisexual too. We did a carry news to the rest because the rest used to play in behind my back quietly for what?
So watch you.
Yes. And we never know say this a go on, yeah?
Yeah.
So when him do two them call him lie bad, everybody know him history say him lie bad. So why they tell a lie and you wrong?
Love the mix up.
In a real lie. He love mix up.
Okay.
Him lie, him just walk and brag and tell that.
Maybe that's why he's a lie. Can confuse.
Yes.
He mind
Anyway,
confused,
when
yeah.
Him do, him start tell the dread be a lie for me. Tell the dread about how him just passing up the road and support the businessman tongue. Remember, me not see businessman for much months now, you know.
Then hold on. You never know say him want the jet.
Eh?
You know say him the want the jet. He want the jet for himself.
It's not impossible, but
Yeah, go
he
and
did a
talk.
Rasta
Yeah,
man
go and
and
talk, yes.
straightforward, he not go mix.
Yes, yes.
Anyway, him now living in my yard, you know, this I see him man me I tell about, you know, my mother best friend who fit them and do the damage, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Our brother, I tell my baby father America now, because my mama first baby father that now.
Yes.
I'm a millionaire music producer.
Yes.
So Owen just passed me up the road I suck out.
Man tongue.
The businessman tongue, you know.
Mm.
Remember me and the man not chatting, you know, me lock him off, me cut him off, everybody know the story.
Yeah.
When you look more every minute the rocks now ring my mother phone and argue with me, say, Hey, girl, where you did that, blah, blah, blah. Be accusation. The
Yeah.
belly, you know?
Yeah.
This is before, this is when the belly young, you know.
One cause
Leading
problem.
up 24 months. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
We still never take it for nothing. And I say, we never did trust the out. And my mother, I get mad and I say, what's it not, man?
Mm.
You understand?
Yeah.
Man, and my daughter no left the yard, man. What's it, yeah?
Yeah.
Start get mad funny. That time for me sitting on a vomit, you know, because
Mhm.
my wife me I go out.
Yes.
The minute me just have vomit. You know when belly young, you not even want to come out of your bed.
Yeah.
Sometimes you not even want bed, you not even want eat.
Yeah.
So what time when I do up a road, I suck coat.
Man tongue.
When you know say not breathe. Remember, you know? You see the same man when me this
Yeah.
for the rust.
Mm.
Remember all when the rust fly up, go back up when him did like me, you know.
Yeah.
He never did go bed with my man, you know.
Yeah.
After about the bench, basically my bench, the two of them.
Right.
You understand? Because
Yeah.
when the Rasta look me, as when I tell you, say, in that time there, my man and me did, we never get on, but we still in love with each other. But we just never have sex too.
Yeah, yeah.
So before me meet the Rasta, yeah?
Yeah.
So even worse when the Rasta come and meet me, and then when he fly back up and I run crazy money, that make it even triple worse.
Yes, yes. Carry my, yeah, yeah.
So come on, if me know, if I the dread breed, my mom must know say the dread breed me, I the dread alone my go with.
Yeah. After all, yeah, you know, big man has sense. Yeah.
But the batty boy convinced the dread
Mm-hmm.
to make it look like say the businessman breed me.
Yeah, kind one. Yeah.
Him breed me.
Yeah.
So by my 4 months pregnant now, the dread take for himself.
Jed can't take it
And
in
the
disappear.
America pass beer remarks
Yes.
and be a story.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Be a story and everything. Anyway, cut
Mm.
a damn story short, yeah?
Yeah.
You start going in a depression now, in a deep depression. Come here and say, if I something wrong,
Mhm.
one day for this or one day for that. So I come to Bob's now and contact my sister America.
Yeah.
She dead now, rest in peace.
May she rest in peace for
She
real.
said not a thing no wrong with him. She and him argued to kind of try to disrespect and I say I know him.
Yeah.
And she said she raised him up and cuss him and
Yeah.
disrespect him. You understand? And
Yeah.
she and him not chat.
Yes.
Anyway, I said that's him I go on with. I said, okay then no problem. I don't have to talk to him then neither.
Yeah.
And when we do when the baby born, we just run a DNA.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
You understand? That time all of this could have prevented, you know.
Yeah.
That time me never know say
Yeah.
the girl we live in my yard, brother.
Yeah.
I carry news to the dread.
Yes.
And not only that,
Mm.
everything what happen, if I cough in my yard, she tell about the businessman.
Wow.
If I piss in my yard, she tell about the businessman.
Informer
You
man.
understand?
Yes.
That's my ex-man. Yes.
Yeah.
So it reached a situation where she see him want to start walk and spread it. So right, you didn't hear what happened.
Yeah.
So the girl, Michelle, the dread fuck her and breed her and dump her.
Yeah.
So when me hear the room and people come back and I tell me say that she don't know, I take for myself from her. I not talk to her.
Yeah.
I not ask her no question. I not say nothing. I just not care. She say hi to me in the
Yeah.
yard. I not talk to her. I just lock up
You know,
in my room,
yeah.
read my Bible,
Yeah.
and just isolate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Babs now, my little friend now, we did there with Beanie Man best friend. She did ending up have a baby for him.
Mm.
She live up the Chizanko. Because a little significant 6 away.
Yeah.
As young girl, we grew up together from we young.
Yeah.
She did there with Beanie Man best friend, yeah?
Yeah.
We did ending up the breed for him to a few years after.
Yeah.
She come one day and call me and I tell me, say the businessman
Yeah.
want to talk to me. I said, no, me not go talk to him because I get blamed.
Yes.
So
And
him breed me and the man they not do
Yeah.
it nearly a year now.
Yeah.
You understand? I said, no, hell no, me not come up in business place. No,
Yeah.
no. Tell him say me good, me alright.
Yeah.
Then she come back the next day again and she said him want to talk to you, it's important. I said, listen to me, if that's important, tell him say, nobody down here now kill him, nobody now do him nothing. Him know where me live, him know my mother live, him know my mother house number, so him have to ring up
Yeah.
first. Yeah?
Yeah.
So Babs now, me arrange and him call me on the house number. And him a say him hear where the rest do me, and blah, 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 and this and that, and regardless of everything, I feel fault.
Mm-hmm.
I know, say, you know, him treat me bad.
Yeah.
But me say, yeah, but you fuck, what she name the auntie, him still have to take God off.
So I deny it. Yeah.
Say, him not fuck she, yeah?
Yeah.
The whole of them are drunk, you know, my auntie.
Yeah. Yeah.
fuck,
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's like him admitted indirectly, say, him put me in that predicament.
Yeah.
So him say, if there's any way in my heart where I can find it, forgive him.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if there's anything where me need to make him know.
Yeah.
If me need anything, I do want him breed me.
Yeah.
I do want me diss him. This rich man in America. Him willing to just stand upside of me and make people stop chat. Because me am woman and he love me.
Yeah.
So him said to me, say, if me buy baby clothes as yet, I said no. Him say, how old is my belly? Remember, I'm not the same man. But them accuse me with, you know, say breed me, you know. If I
know,
breed
yes.
don't him know, though.
Of course.
Yeah, because if they love me, yeah.
Yeah, you check for your
So
still.
start tell him, yeah, him check for me same way. So I start tell him how old my belly is and blah, blah, blah. So him say, all right, him have an idea. So what you want? You want buy the baby clothes them at Jamaica? I said no.
Yeah.
And the same girl will come call me, she have a uncle who was a military man in the army and he live in America and his wife used to go and come.
Yeah.
So I say if any that a PR auntie-in-law. I say if anything, because the two of we know the people them too. Yeah, some business people them to a welcome to.
Yeah.
I say if anything, make we look some US and the she to buy some baby clothes. Perhaps now, this is the one where them accuse me with, you know. This is my ex-man now, you know. Put 350 US together, you know. And give my little friend will come call me for him, you know. Auntie-in-law, we are fly up, you know, to go buy baby clothes, you know. Yeah, listen to the story.
Yes.
Babs now the auntie go up now and she spend 2 weeks and then she fly back, come back down with here baby clothes. Yeah, this is my man when me disrespect, you know, and I know him breed me, you know.
Right.
Buy baby clothes, alright. Babs would cover. The dread ear. The dread ear now, you know, so the way of the dread shame, this is how him do now. Him shame for ring my mother phone. But by this time, my mother pissed off and ignorant to him.
Yeah.
So when do, him use one next big woman.
Yeah.
It's one of the wheelers.
No, don't call him name.
Grew up with Bob Marley.
Yeah.
Him call out a theme baby mother yard, out a Premokal side now.
Yeah.
When you look now, one of the wheelers set up them start come down a wall and you know say Jati want to talk to me. So I send back the face the message. About 2 weeks, because I'm ignorant, you know, Leo born, you know, I Leo.
Oh, yeah, Leo.
No matter how, yeah, I'm a Leo, I'm a lion.
Yeah.
I respect people, and I not take disrespect.
Yeah.
So I send face the message, go tell him, a bad word.
Yeah.
I said, tell him to go F him mother.
And all them things there. Yeah.
I'm pregnant, you know.
Yeah.
With him belly, you know.
Yeah.
When time you look now, my man, when I disrespect him, for the time I come back around now.
Yeah.
And the same ring when we did throw away,
yeah.
carry it and go engrave from him to me in it and we did a plan we don't know, we know with my belly, you know.
Yeah.
We don't feel, you know.
Yeah.
We still never have back sex yet.
Him still didn't love you then, man.
Do it properly.
Yeah, he didn't really love you, look like.
Yes, man, he didn't really love me, man. I break them on the heart, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. And Babs now, we have planned wedding now, we know this. And me have planned wedding with my belly, you know.
Yeah.
And we are about to keep the wedding, and I said to him, said, no, put it on pause. I'm gonna like when the baby born, the baby in my picture them.
Yeah.
It's the only reason why I never married a businessman there, which was my original man first.
Yes.
Anyway, you know, the Rasim now get jealous now, and I think it take like 2 weeks before, and then I start reason with my man, that I'm a businessman, and I tell him the truth, say,
yeah.
Rasta try contact me back, blah, 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 and me now, I'm not chatting with him, where him think, rare. So I think about week number 3, him kind of soft with me and talk to him. He said, well, put it this way, at the end of the day, you're a baby father, same way.
Yeah.
Baby in your belly, a theme, baby. But you can't just talk to him and hear what him say still, you understand?
Yeah.
That bit them now go get between him, but him disrespect you.
Yes.
And just make him know, say, me have your back now, and we are going to marry.
Yeah.
It's a power struggle now, you know, over me, you know. When time you look now, the same businessman drive over from Bukal out of one of the wheelers and baby mother yard. Babs now, he talk to the Ras.